Exploring nature's umbrella, understanding the tree canopy. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that connects language with nature: tree canopy. This term might be new to many of you, so we'll explore what it means, its significance, and how you can use it in your conversations about nature and environment. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. The phrase, tree canopy, refers to the upper layer or covering of trees in a forest, formed by their branches and leaves. When you look up while standing in a forest, the blanket of leaves and branches overhead is the tree canopy. It's like a natural umbrella or roof formed by trees. This canopy plays a crucial role in the forest ecosystem, influencing both the forest and its inhabitants. The tree canopy is not just a beautiful sight. It has several crucial functions. It provides habitat for many species of birds, insects, and other wildlife. It also offers shade, keeping the forest floor cooler and protecting plants and animals from direct sunlight. Moreover, the canopy plays a vital role in the water cycle by intercepting rainfall and reducing soil erosion. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Descriptive usage. The dense tree canopy in the Amazon rainforest is home to diverse wildlife. 2. Environmental context. Conservationists are working to protect the tree canopy to preserve natural habitats. 3. Metaphorical use. Just like a tree canopy offers protection, our community provides a safety net for its members. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the term tree canopy. It's a wonderful example of how language and nature intertwine, enriching our understanding of the world around us. Keep exploring and using new phrases in your English journey. Until next time, happy learning!